My name's Peter Jones from Water Co Consultants. Water Co are civil engineers in our world of water. We specialise in water, drainage and flood risk. The reason we got involved in Pathways Plus was, as a local business, we wanted to help the local schools, help local students develop new skills and develop their training. New engineers, new technicians, new salespeople of the future. I think it's important for businesses in the local area to get involved. It's been a great experience for us and we hope it's been a great experience for the students and the schools. An opportunity to learn new skills, try new techniques and get a sense of what it's like out in the real world with job interviews and job training. In January of this year, myself and my colleague, we interviewed Ysgol Dinas Bran, Year 11 students, along with other local businesses of the area. And it was a great day for the students, I think, because it gave them an opportunity in a no-risk environment to practice new skills, new techniques, and start to sort of grasp what's waiting for them when they leave school. I'd highly recommend any local businesses to get involved in Pathways Plus. It's been a great learning experience for myself and for Water Co, but more importantly, I think it's a great experience for the students to get involved in training for future careers, as you know, the young people are going to be the future for our business.